Hey, it's Christy. I'm here to teach you more about how to use Procreate on your iPad. Just in case you're watching the replay on this or you don't know what the latest version of Procreate is, here it is right here, 5.2.6. I'm going to show you how to make a new canvas. We're just going to click on the plus sign right here, and then we're going to choose the size. If you want to make your own size, hit the plus button, and then you can type in, I'm going to do inches. I'm going to do 8.5 by 11. And the DPI is 300. You want it to be that size or greater to get a good quality. I chose to design my canvas in 8.5 by 11 because I do a lot of different projects that I use that size for. So you actually use whatever size you'd like to use. Okay, and I'm just gonna hit create, and then I have a new canvas, okay? It's this direction, but you can turn it this direction, you can play with it. That's what's so fun about Procreate, is that you can just manipulate and move it around the way you want it. A lot of things to learn from here, but today we're gonna talk about how to change your background. Right now we have a white background. You're gonna click on this little, it looks like two folders, and it's layers, okay? And right now we have a blank layer and we have a background color. You're gonna click on your background color, and then you can play and change the color however you want. There's also some times when you may not want a background at all, and to uncheck that, all you have to do is go right here and it takes it away. This is something I've already created. Let's change the background. So we're gonna go up here to the little layers, go down to the bottom to the background color, and let's just pick a color. Let's do red. See how easy that is? I'll design with a white or black background so I can really figure out what I'm gonna do, and then I'll add color to it. Be sure to follow me so you catch me in the next video, and also you might be interested in my membership that's opening soon.